Pero paano kung ginawa mo ng lahat pero hindi pa rin umubra? Bakit hindi mo masyado na-detect yung pabango mo? Baka naman ang problema ay nasa iyo. Hindi kaya kulang ka sa... What's up everyone, this is Albert, your one and only tactical scene dito, and in this video, pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba natin palalakasin, paano nga ba natin i-improve ang performance ng mga pabango natin. And I'm talking about the longevity, the projection, and all those stuff, but hindi ko sinasabing gagawin natin beast mode, yung mga pabango hindi naman talaga malakas to begin with, okay? We just want to stay realistic, diba? And because this channel is not quality tips for no reason, I'll be giving you some tips, tricks, and hacks. Weird hacks na kung magagamit mo sa fragrance journey mo, whether you are a beginner or an expert sa field na to. So watch it until the end. Don't skip anything mga chong dahil sigurado kung may mapupulot ka sa mga examples at situations na ibibigay ko sa iyo mamaya-maya lang. And of course, what are the things that we may be able to learn in these types of situations? Let's find out. Familiar yun ah. So una, bibigyan kita ng malupit na senaryo, yung realistic na senaryo. For example, pupunta ka ng mall or you'll be joining a sniffing session. What would you usually do? What would you usually use? Don't tell me ganito ginagawa mo. Chong, kung ganong ginagawa mo, utang na loob, wag mo nang gagawin yun. Magbago ka na. Pero malamang sa malamang, marami ang magsasabi sa inyo na gumagamit kayo ng paper strips or test strips. Actually, wala namang masama kung gagamit kayo nito. In fact, ginagamit yan ng mga perfumers or even mga master perfumers para subukan yung mga perfumes na ginagawa nila. But it's a completely different story kung gagamitin mo siya sa isang public or business establishment like malls. And here's the reason. I find it unhygienic. Dahil hindi mo na alam kung sino-sino nang humawak dyan, kung gaano na siya katagal naka-expose sa hangin, and I could back that up with a story that happened years back sa isang fragrance shop. Thankfully, hindi siya nangyari sa Pilipinas. Nangyari siya sa ibang bansa. Hindi ko lang sasabihin kung saan. But here's what happened. May nag-spray ng pabango sa paper strip, tapos nilagay niya o binalik niya kung saan niya kinuha. So, ang mangyayari, contaminated na lahat ng mga hindi pa nagamit strips. And that happened before the pandemic. So, just imagine kung nangyari siya during the pandemic. O, diba? And mind you, the threat of COVID-19 is still here. So, ingat lang mga chong. And the second reason is papers don't give an actual overall representation of fragrances or how they would smell on your skin. So, still the best way to try out fragrances is to wear them. As simple as that. But here's the problem. You'd only be limited to 4 to 6 fragrances. And you cannot efficiently or effectively gauge each one of them, especially if you are aiming for projection. Because ideally, ang gusto natin, 1 meter nagpo-project yung pabango or an arm length. Pero hindi mangyayari yon kapag nag-spray ka dito, tapos dito, kasi maapektuhan ng pabangon to kung ano man yung nilagay mo dito. And same goes with kung ano yung spray mo sa kabilang braso mo. Now, I came up with something. I don't know kung may gumagawa nito and I still don't have a name for it. So, if you have something in mind, please drop it like it's hot in the comment section. Promise, babasahin natin yan. So, for tip number 1, we're gonna be needing the following. First is a book. It doesn't matter kung matagal na yan, kung luma na yan, or bago yan. But it's important that it's something that you're reading and something that you own. Hindi mo dapat hiniram yan kung kani-kanino at mamaya malalaman mo kung bakit. Okay? And by the way, for those who might be asking kung anong book to, this is called The Man in the Mirror, a very good book by Patrick M. Morley. I would highly recommend this book sa mga lalaki because this aims in solving the most common 24 problems that men face, yung mga challenges na na-encounter ng mga kalalakihan. No? Pwede rin naman siyang basahin ng mga babae, walang problema. Kasi especially sa panahon to, ang hirap maging lalaki. Dahil ang dami nating kalaban. Kadalasan, ang pinakamahirap na kalaban natin ay ang mga sarili natin. So yeah, grab a copy of this book. The second thing that we need is are cotton pads. Okay, pwede mo siyang hatiin sa gitna para makatipid ka, but I suggest that you use the whole thing. Next is, kailangan natin ng unscented lotion. Hindi na importante kung anong brand yan. Importante, unscented. The next ones are optional, small, resealable plastic bags or sachet, whatever you call it, na available sa wet market, sa Lazada, or sa kahit saang online shop. And of course, for obvious reason, kailangan natin ng marker, panulat, pen, para ma-identify natin kung ano yung nilagay natin sa loob ng plastic sheet. Or, pwede nating sulatan directly sa cotton pad. So, ang unang gagawin natin is to pre-treat our cotton pad, and here's how we do it. Mag-a-apply lang tayo ng lotion evenly sa balat natin. Saan pa nga ba natin nilalagay ito? Napakadumi ng utak. Ayan. Ayan. So, massage it for a bit and wait for a few minutes hanggang mag-settle siya sa balat mo. And then, wipe your skin with a cotton pad just enough to get it moisturized. Hindi kailangan na lunurin mo siya sa lotion. And this will allow some of your natural oils to penetrate the pad. Okay, this might not seem much, but results don't lie. Tapos nun, collect mo na lahat ng pre-treated pads mo and then put it inside a bag. Now, pagdating mo sa venue or some snipping session, mag-spray ka lang ng 1 or 2 sprays sa pad, tapos ilagay mo sa loob ng small resealable plastic bag mo. After nun, ilagay mo siya o insert the bags in the pages of your book. And you can repeat this process as much as you need. Kung wala ka namang bag, ayos lang, walang problema. Pwede mong ilagay yung pad sa pages ng libro mo. So, ang kagandahan nito, mas mabusisi mo na silang masusubukan pag uwi mo sa bahay. And you have more time to study them. And although this is quite time consuming, alam natin yan because it involves several steps, the advantages of this method still outweighs the disadvantages. And here are some of its many advantages. First one is by putting this in your chest pocket. Pag na-spray mo na yung pabango, you can still enjoy the scent for a wee while. Siguro pwede mo pa silang magamit ng the whole day. Depende sa longevity ng pabango. Or pwede mong ilagay sa air filter ng sasakyan mo. So mine lasted for almost a week. Ang bango ng kotse ko nun. And here's the major advantage of it. Kapag nagbabasa ka ng libro, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, it should be something that you're currently reading. Okay? Some of the scent will leak sa pages ng libro mo. And that's something that you would want. Hindi natin maiiwasan yan. And here's the catch. Study shows that any activity that involves 2 or more senses would increase the satisfaction and fun while doing it. So in this case, reading with the involvement of your visual, audition, tactile, and of course, olfaction make you more focused, absorb information quicker, and retains it better in your long-term memory, making the entire experience more enjoyable. O, di ba? Hindi lang tayo just dito. Kailangan evidence-based and scientific din. Now, let's go to tip number 2. Instead of sniffing coffee bean, if the venue allows it or the store allows it, bring an espresso with you. Okay? Because drinking coffee is more hygienic and safer, it's more effective in resetting your nose than just sniffing coffee bean. So, whenever you see a prospect, for example, sa sniffing session, maybe potential mate or potential friend, ask her, tanong nyo kung umiinom sila ng kape, and then offer her a drink, and then start a meaningful conversation. And before we get into the next step, I would like to give a big shout out to Mr. Jason Pablo. Thank you so much for your recommendation kasi I was looking for a gear that would enhance the quality of my audio para sa video ko. So, he shared his recommendations. Also, Kuya Patrick of Pinoy Gearset and Kuya Archie Celebre. Etong dalawang to yung talagang pangmalakasan yung mga audio gears nila, yung mga audiophile gears. So, thank you for your recommendation. Both of you, I really appreciate it. Now, let's proceed to our next tip. Tip number 3 is the use of fragrance enhancers. We could say it's a similar concept with Ambroxan and Molecule 01, but they have magic of their own. Although matagal na nag-e-exist yung mga ganitong products, especially sa international market, this idea is still foreign to a lot of people. Okay? Except just recently sa Filipino fragrance community, because there is something very popular in the local market called Masquerade by a company called Habit, owned by Mr. John Greg Parilla. And by the way, the nose behind this is the Filipino nose, Renato Lopena. So share ko lang sa inyo, mabilis lang yung experience ko dito. So turns out it accentuates yung mga green notes and C notes like what you'll find in Polo Green and my favorite Creed Millésime Imperial. Because dumating sa point na hindi na ganun katagal, hindi na masyadong long lasting yung mga current batch ng Creed Millésime Imperial. So nung sinubukan ko siya, since meron siyang musk, mas naging musky itong Creed Millésime Imperial and the longevity extended up to 1 hour in my experience. So more like this and everything else that you need to know is in the video that I will be posting right here or somewhere in the description box below. Now for our tip number 4, we know much about yung mga how to store fragrances, where, when, and how to apply fragrances, and most importantly, personal hygiene, which includes healthy lifestyle, specifically keeping our skin hydrated. Pero paano kung ginawa mo ng lahat pero hindi pa rin umubra? Bakit hindi mo masyado na-detect yung pabango mo? Tuloy, hindi mo ma-enjoy tong hobby na pinasok mo. So baka naman ang problema ay nasa iyo. Hindi kaya kulang ka sa zinc? There's a study shows that aside from many benefits of dietary zinc, it also maintains and enhances olfactory health. So, do your research and seek medical advice from proper health professionals kung kailangan mo nga bang magpa-lab test para malaman kung tama nga ba ang zinc level mo at kung kailangan mo ng additional dose of zinc supplement. So, that's all mga chong. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this to your social media groups and also don't forget to subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, this is Albert, your one and only tactical Zintito, reminding you to always be tactful and thankful because nothing smells better than a good character. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.